competition in this joint, you know what I'm saying? Got that Keith. Her snoring out there loud. Little pretty good move. Going hard for the team. Big Neat over there. I think she's taking the lead. Doing big things out here. Keisha almost kicked it out. Her sleep better be popping. Oh, Keisha trying to take the lead. Keisha trying to take the lead. Okay. They said the kids sleep and everything, so we're gonna go hard. Man.